Book inspections while you're sleeping. How do you do that? Use the online scheduling system that you embed on your website. Go to Scheduler and go over here to Embed. You're going to get the embed code, and you get the code, and then you can copy the code here or here, and you embed that on your website. Now, if you don't know what that means, just hook up with Inspector Website Builder. That's InternetG's official vendor for Inspector website designs and social media. They'll handle the full integration of your job scheduler on your website, including booking widgets, calendar displays, automated confirmations, and it's totally customized to your needs. Let me show you what it looks like at Big Ben Inspections. So here's my website designed by Inspector Website Builder. They embedded the code that I got from the software, and I've got a Schedule Now button. And you pop in and there it is. So this is working for you while you're sleeping or while you're on the roof. Your website is scheduling jobs. Let's schedule a full home inspection. And this is integrated with the inspection software. So it's looking at your company's availability for the week and your individual inspector's availability and figuring out when that job should be scheduled. And you can customize everything and allow your clients, your potential clients, to schedule online. Let's schedule this for Tuesday. Let's do it in the morning. And you can also give them codes if you wanted to. You don't have to have this code thing, but it's kind of neat. Let's save 50. I think that's 50% off. Let's enter a name, Alicia Pizza, and let's just type in, I'll show you how it all works. So and I won't edit this video so you can see that it's working. In the United States, this works in the United States or Canada, and we have Google Maps or Apple Maps integrated so that you can figure out how far away the job is from your home office or your inspector's home office. And you can also charge extra for like long distances. And 27607, and then yada yada. And then let's click schedule. And then the request is going to ping your scheduling system. It's going to figure everything out. It's going to allow that person to request a job because of your calendar, and you're going to have full control. It's a stopgap. And then you get to look at the details of the job that comes in through your software and confirm it and then put it in your calendar. And this is under Scheduler, under Embed. So you want to schedule jobs while you're sleeping or while you're performing an inspection and you're on the roof. You don't have to answer the phone. You don't have to have a manager. The online scheduling system that you embed on your inspection website is included with InternetG's inspection software.